Next question, another application of Gauss law. Obtain an expression for electric field due to an charged infinite plane sheet. That is one long straight conductor wire. Here plane sheet. It's a very important, another important 5-mark question. See, you take one sheet. There is a charged sheet, positive charge. You consider one small length, one point P. The distance between the point and sheet is R. See here, the considered infinity plane sheet of the uniform surface charge density sigma. Here surface charge density sigma. Let P be the point at the distance R from the sheet of the E be the electric field P. Here the direction of the electric field is a perpendicular outwards from the sheet. The direction of the electric field is outwards. It's moving outwards because of if you plate means moving outwards, all the direction. This is the electric field moving outwards. Consider cylindrical Gaussian surface. Now you consider small area is an imaginary area. This is a Gaussian surface. See, if you consider a plate means one side charged means automatically another side also charged. So here, for example, 10 centimeter that field traveling means the same 10 centimeter that side also traveled. So both side you have to calculate now because of sheet. So you have to calculate both side. So now consider the cylindrical Gaussian surface length 2r because here r, another one r. So totally 2r. The area of the cross section is A. This is the area of cross section A. Now the electric field is P at the point. First electric flux at the P point. So same formula EDS, EDA vector or EDA cos theta. But here DA and E also same direction. DA and E also same direction means 0 angle. Theta will become 0. So cos 0, 1. 1 into EDA, integration of EDA only. So next P dash point, this point. Here also DA and E moving in same direction. So theta will become 0 degree only. So same formula EDA cos 0, 1 now. So cos 0, already you know that one 1. So EDA into 1, integration of EDA. So P side, integration of EDA and P dash side also integration of EDA. Another side is what? Curved surface. Here curved surface means this is a curved surface. Here there is the curved surface. See, electric field moving this direction. The area of in upward direction. So both also 90 degree. If you cos 90 degree, if you substitute here, the cos 90 degree 0. So 0 into anything 0. So in curved area 0. So total flux want to calculate at the P point, at the flux at P dash point, at the flux at curved point. So EDA already you know that one PA value EDA and P dash value EDA but curved value 0. So EDA plus EDA is nothing but 2 EDA. E is a constant to take outside. 2E DA. Integration of DA A only. A means is the area of the sheet. So generally maybe that is a rectangular surface or a square or a triangle shape. Anything will come. So generally we take area A. So 2E integration of dA value A, so 2EA. Take equation number 1. By Gauss law, you know that one, phi E is equal to Q by epsilon naught, enclosed. Enclosed means closed area. But want to find the Q value. You know that one, Q is nothing but sigma into A. In before question, Q is equal to lambda into L. Because of lambda is a charge density, linear charge density. L is the length of the wire. But here is a sheet. So surface charge density into area of the plate. So Q value sigma into A. Substitute the Q value here. You substitute the here. So comparing these two equation 1 and 2, 2EA is equal to Q value already you know that one sigma A divided by epsilon naught. So we can write 2EA is equal to Q by epsilon naught, but Q value already you know that one 2EA is equal to what is that? Sigma A by epsilon naught. A cancel. So E is equal to 2 cross multiply. E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So sigma is a surface charge density. Epsilon naught is a permittivity of free space. This is a scalar form. In vector form, E vector is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught n vector. N vector is the unit vector, is a value 1. So only is the indicator of direction. So it's a positive value. So because of this is a positive charge. Suppose if it is negative means your answer will become negative. This is a very important 5-mark question.